Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as a Facebook group, and both the two links are kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may check down. And in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies and the lecturer vacancies notification from the state university, and the remaining two colleges are also affiliated to that state university. And here the selection will be based upon the direct interview, and there is no necessity of UGC NET or the PhD. So let us check the details regarding this notification. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video, and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University. So here, under this university, here the few vacancies are there. Next, the two more colleges are there. One is the Tagore Institute and the second one is the Gracious College. So both these two are also affiliated to this Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda University. Okay, let's see the details regarding all these three colleges. While coming to the first one, applications are invited from candidates for appearing in interview for the post of assistant professor part-time in various departments of Vishwavidyalaya Engineering College. Okay, so for a period of 6 months, which may be extended for the complete session if required. So at an honorarium of 300 rupees per hour and a maximum of 21,000 rupees per month. And information about the essential qualifications and the number of proposed vacancies are given here. Okay, I will show you the table. And it is the official websites of this college, guys. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link, this website link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. Here the application fee is 3,000 rupees for general OBC category and 1,000 rupees for SC ST. Okay, and attach the receipt or acknowledgement or transaction number or date of fee submission along with the single PDF containing the scanned copies, all the relevant documents related to the qualification and experience. Okay. And the interview will be conducted in offline mode at the venue. That means the selection will be based upon the interview, guys. There is no written test. Okay, and you have to go there. Here the mentioned address, and the address is Administrative Building, Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, UI, Bhilai. The candidates will be noticed or is notified about the date and time of the interview only in the official website. Okay. So the candidates are advised to check the website daily regarding the interview. And you may check down the assistant professor, number of posts 6, okay, in the Department of Electrical Engineering, and 3 in the Department of Mechanical, and 5 in the Department of Civil. And essential qualification of BE, BTech and ME, MTech in the relevant discipline. So the same thing for all the remaining 3 departments. If you are having the PhD and the relevant experience, it will be the added thing. That means it is a desirable qualification. It will be beneficial to you more for the selection process. And coming to the next one is, it is Tagore Institute of Pharmacy and Research. So here the assistant professor, total 9 vacancies are there. Okay, and the non-teaching positions are also there. And the candidate's experience and salary as per the PCI norms. So interested candidates can mail their resume along with relevant documents to career@tipr.in, preferably within 20 days. So within 20 days means actually this notification came on, posted on Feb 23. So 23 plus 20 days. Okay, and coming to the next one, next college is, it is a Gracious College of Pharmacy, and here you may check down. Yeah. So here the lecturer vacancies are there. Total 8 vacancies are there. A lecturer will be designated as assistant professor after 2 years of teaching experience in PCA, approved or recognized pharmacy college. Okay, and here selection criteria. Selection will decide on merit. Merit list will be prepared on the basis of academic marks or educational qualifications, interview, experience and academic contribution of candidate in various fields, like the number of paper publications in various national and international journals, paper presentations in conferences, and the total number of conferences attended. And the last date of receipt of application is within 15 days from the date of publication of advertisement, and here the email ID is also provided. So 15 days means actually this advertisement posted on Feb 20, so 20 plus 15. Okay, so these are the details, guys. So please share this information or else this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for the UGC NET exam, okay, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to